Today, we're diving into the world of coffee brewing, exploring different methods, their intricacies, and the unique flavors each one offers. In this video, I'll share both foundational knowledge and advanced tips for all coffee enthusiasts. Ready? Let's begin our coffee journey. Each coffee brewing method has its own style and flavor profile. But what makes them different? Factors like water temperature, grind size, and brewing time play a huge role. Let's explore each method in detail. The French press is one of the simplest yet most effective brewing methods. With medium coarse coffee grounds, boiled water that's cooled slightly, and a 4-minute steeping time, you can achieve a rich cup of coffee. Stirring the grounds gently in a French press optimizes extraction, giving a balanced flavor. Overstirring, however, can make the coffee bitter. The Chemex is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Its thick paper filters produce a clean and bright cup. One key detail is maintaining a consistent and controlled pouring motion. The Chemex was designed in 1941 by Dr. Peter Schlumbaum and is displayed at the Museum of Modern Art in New York. It's not just a coffee tool, it's a work of art. The Moka Pot is perfect for those who want espresso-like coffee at home. The critical factor here is not to overcompress the coffee grounds and to carefully balance the coffee-to-water ratio. Invented in 1933 by Alfonso Bialetti, the Moka Pot has been a staple in Italian households. Italians often enjoy mocha coffee during breakfast. The Aeropress is a lightweight, portable, and versatile brewing tool. Depending on your grind size and water temperature, you can achieve a range of flavors. You can experiment with the inverted or standard brewing methods to customize your experience. The Aeropress was invented in 2005 by Ellen Adler and has inspired global Aeropress brewing competitions. It's more than a tool, it's a community favorite. The V60 requires precision and offers a rewarding experience. Freshly ground coffee and a consistent pouring technique are key. The V60 requires precision and offers a rewarding experience. Freshly ground coffee and a consistent pouring technique are key. Turkish coffee is one of the oldest brewing methods, known for its rich flavor and thick texture. Made with finely ground coffee, water, and optionally sugar, it's boiled slowly over low heat. Turkish coffee is an integral part of Middle Eastern and Balkan cultures. It's traditionally served with a glass of water and sometimes a piece of Turkish delight. The grounds left in the cup are often used for fortune-telling. With an espresso machine, fine coffee grounds and 9 bars of pressure deliver a professional coffee experience. Espresso is the foundation for drinks like lattes and cappuccinos. Espresso machines were first developed in 1901 by Luigi Bezzera. Modern machines offer advanced features like temperature control and digital timers for precise brewing. And there you have it, the art of coffee brewing in all its forms. I hope this guide has been helpful. Which method do you prefer? Share in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.